Okay, so we can solve this question. Okay. So the inequality is given as x square plus y square, that is less than or equal to 1, and another inequality is x plus y greater than or equal to 1. So this is the region within the circle x square plus y square equals to 1. So this circle has the center as the origin and the radius is equals to 1 unit. And this is the straight line x plus y equals to 1. So now let's draw the circle and the straight line. So this is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. And x squared plus y squared equals to 1. So this is a circle. This is a circular region. Now it will intersect the x-axis at 1, 0 and at minus 1, 0. And it will intersect the y-axis at 0, 1 and at 0, minus 1. So x plus y equal to 1, this is a straight line that will also intersect the x-axis at 0 at 1, 0, and it will intersect the y-axis at 0, 1. So this is the straight line is somewhat like this. So here now this inequality we have to check if it is satisfying the origin or not. So 0, 0, we can see that this inequality is not satisfying the origin. That is why this straight line means this inequality will be the region which is away from the origin, means this part. And in this this inequality will satisfy the origin. It means that this inequality represents the region within the circle, the region inside the circle. It means that we have to take the common intersection part of this region and this region. It means that we have to take this region. We have to find the area of this region. So now we can integrate it along the x-axis, then we have to do integral y dx, or we can integrate it along the y-axis, then it will be integral x dy. So if we integrate along the x-axis, then we have to express this y as a function of x. So now for this circle, we can see that y square equals to 1 minus x square. So I can say that it will be y equals to square root of 1 minus x square. And for the straight line, we have y equals to 1 minus x. So this is x equal to 0, which is the y-axis, and this straight line will have the equation x equal to 1. So from sorry, once again. So we can see that from x equal to 0 to x equal to 1, the curved part is lying above the straight line part. It means, therefore, I can say that the square root of 1 minus x squared, that will be greater than 1 minus x for all values of x belongs to 0 to 1. Okay. So therefore, the required area will be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x square minus of 1 minus x whole integral dx. Okay. So this we can write, this will be equal to integral 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x square dx, then minus integral 0 to 1 1 minus x dx. So this will be equal to integral 0 to 1 square root of okay, we can see that the integral square root of 1 minus x square, that will be your x by 2 square root of 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a and that will go from 0 to 1 minus, that is integral dx from 0 to 1, and minus times minus is plus, so it will be plus integral 0 to 1 x dx. So that will be equal to, now if I put 1 here, this will become 0, and this will be half sine inverse 1, half sine inverse 1 minus, now if I put 0 here, this will become 0 again, and this will be 0 also, so that will be 0. Then minus integral dx is ax, that will go from 0 to 1, plus integral x dx, that will be x square by 2, and that will go from 0 to 1, and that will be equal to half sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus, it will be 1 minus 0 plus half, that will go from 1 square minus 0 square. So that will be equal to pi by 4 minus 1 plus half. So the answer will be pi by 4 minus half square units. So this is the final answer. Thank you.